Hey, hello, this is Martin from Secrets, the channel for learning about trading and investing. Welcome to Markets Tomorrow, the daily quick stock market analysis where we look at what happened in the market from the technical charts point of view and then look forward and plan for a better trade for the upcoming day tomorrow, that is November 29th, Wednesday 2022. So we had a green close on both the indices, but the banks overall. Chart wise, if you look, it's still not come out of the consolidation stop zone. So what do you figure out from this? Where are we heading? Let's try to understand better. We have a wrap up here, we'll come back to this, but let's get into the charts right away. Here you have the Nifty 50 charts. Let's look at the candlestick. So it's a wide range bullish candle, very wide range. There was some profit booking that happened a later part. Basically intraday it was within a range. It was a range more of gap up after a gap up, and then after 2 o'clock it broke out, really big. That's what happened. And also it did the same. It was instead of having a gap up, instead of having a breakout straight away, it was volatile. There was huge resistance and then went selling pressure came in, and then finally eventually it also closed positively. And the candlestick that is formed here is something like a spinning top for a small body. At least small bodies are indecisive, and the wick size indicates the big bear bull fight that happened, right? So it's still, there's some indecisive elements, and it is resisting right below. We're talking about Banknifty. It's resisting still. It could not close above the 50 and the 100 exponential moving average, but 20 exponential moving average and 200 is cleared, right? So Banknifty is picking up and catching up, but a wide range bullish move, and it had there was a gap here at this point at 19,878, and that's cleared, and we now have a new rounding number. We are at 9,900, but Banknifty could not close above the 44k. 44k is huge resistance, and there is 44,064. There is the gap that has to be taken out. After that you have 44,400, 44,200, all these resistances, right? So that's where we are. So let's try to see. So we are in a parallel trend line channel, and Nifty, the close above that has confirmed that it's reconfirmed. Basically it has confirmed that after the previous swing high at around 19,850 as earlier cleared, now it once again confirmed that with respect to price action as well as the gap resistance clearly, and it has broken out of the trend line. So absolute bullishness is very much out in the short term of the Nifty. But look at Banknifty. This is 14 days candlesticks that is put in the box. 14 days it has been consolidating in the 700 point range, up and down, up and down. Still has not dropped out, and we have a gap there at 44,000 nearby zones. Once that is taken, again you have 44,100, 400, then you have 47,800 zones, and then 45k. 45k, if that is cleared, then probably price action wise Banknifty also would be breaking out of that top of the channel. So that's what all hopes are. So unless and until Banknifty reaches here, that's another 1,000 points. If it happens, that is where the rally would. But no, as of now, this side lag behind. So if you look at the levels, the first resistance will be 44. No, let's look at the Nifty first. The first resistance will be at 99.91. That's 20k, big rounding number. That would be the resistance there, and then 20,115. That's resistance. That's a gap actually, previous gap that is formed in September, and then after that you have the all-time high very close by 20,222. If that is clear, then it can make another swing high and then reverse and do things like that, right? If everything goes fine. Otherwise, right, if Banknifty is not coming in part, then we have trouble. Downside, the first support could come in at 9,700 now, and then 600, 500. That's where the exponential moving average of 20, 50, 100, 200, all that comes in, right? So supports can be seen likewise at once it's 17, the 19,700, then 650, 600. 600 as 20 exponential moving average, then 550 nearby, that is again 50 exponential moving average. Then we have gap support that comes in at near 19,500. 19,500 seems to be a very good support right now. Then 19,400, 19,275 has got another gap support, and then 175 as support. Likewise, at 200 exponential moving average way down at 18,800 support. Right? That's what the support resistance levels for the Nifty and Banknifty. Likewise, see, the first thing has to be cleared is 44k, and this gap has to be cleared. Then it will be clearing all the moving average resistances, including 50 index, 100 exponential moving average as well. Then we have resistance 44,400, and then 44,600, 44,900, 45k. That's the immediate resistances, 30,000 points, the multiple resistance on the downside. And you can find support at 43,700 nearby, so it's a 20 exponential moving average support that will come in now. After the 200 exponential moving average support will come in 43,300, before that 43,600 can be a support. And then if that is lost, if 200 exponential moving average is lost, then only we can find support very deep down at 42k. That's how it is. So all eyes on if the Nifty would be breaking out of this 14 days of consolidation and take out the gap and then previous swing highs, right, and reach the 44, which is the top of the channel. That's a question right in front of us. This is wrap up. So it's a 0.5% nearby up day, and it's 9,900 conquered, but 44k is Banknifty is not conquered, and it's a less than 0.30% of industry close that's happened in Banknifty, well within the consolidation range. Now in Friday we have seen that the range bound breakout afternoon. Fyers are bought. That's very good news. 800 crores of buying has happened today, and last 2 weeks, week-to-week basis, Fyers has been buying, so that's very positive. So Nifty overall looks much stronger than the Banknifty, right? So Banknifty still has that resistance at the 50-100 very close by, so that's very clear. It actually went above that, but not close below that. Above that, basically. So resistance levels we've seen 20k and 2100, 2200. Supports 99,800, 99,700, 600, 500. Likewise, Banknifty resistance 44k, 44,200, 44,400, and likewise 43,600, 43,300, and then 43k. Supports and downs around Banknifty we're talking about. The momentum has picked up, but still sideways and rising in the Banknifty. Momentum is bullish, absolutely holding that levels and rising up. And so short-term daily charts that we're talking about, but the trend has not turned to bullish zones like in the Nifty. That is not happening in the Banknifty. Banknifty still, the trend is yet to cross over to the DMI positive zones or bullish zones. It has not happened yet. Another interesting thing is that India VIX has spiked up for 7.5%. The market is closed green with a wide range bullish handle, and the VIX is still spiking up instead of having cooled off. So that is a question in front of why is the VIX spiking when the market is rising. So that may be an indication that this breakout that happened has something to do with today's expiry, Nifty expiry, or something to do with this, the events that may be upcoming. So we never know. So it may sustain or not. We don't know. Because there is some divergence in the way Nifty has reacted normally when the market is rising up. Now the Bollinger Band is another thing that gives a clue that the expansion of the upside happened in Nifty, but Banknifty is a divergence. And expansion has not happened, it is still contracting. So sideways consolidation is what Banknifty is can be seen in the daily charts, Bollinger Bands, and expansion on the upside indicating more up move is what unblocking on the bands and things like that is what can be studied out from the technical indicator of Bollinger Band from the daily charts of the Nifty. Technically it is bullish Nifty, but Banknifty, the price action swing highs has not taken out, and resistances of 50 expansion is there, so it's still consolidating, but Banknifty absolute bullish. Today across all the sectors everything good move, but FMC and Pharma did not do well. No, it was IT and the FMCG that didn't do well, right? That's right. IT and the Pharma did do well actually. And IT and FMCG is still not bullish enough on both time frames. And in the short, medium to time frame, it has not gone to the bullish terms. Otherwise, we have sector leaders. We have multiple sectors other than the IT and the FMCG, which is at all-time highs, breaking out, and absolute bullish with respect to the momentum in the short term and medium term. Right. Again, put call ratio. If you look at the opponent's analysis, put call ratio is bullish, absolute bullish, and OI build up on the futures OI is also bullish. We have 2 days to the monthly expiry. Monthly expiry is expected to be volatile, so be cautious about that. Volatility can also come in because of an election result that may be coming in Friday and Thursday. So, what would be the case, investors? If there is a dip, that's an opportunity, right? Momentum trading can be done from a longer period of time. That also is kind of an investment. when it comes, but you have to have tight stop losses. But if it is not momentum trading that we're doing, if we're investing for long term, every dip is an opportunity for you to buy quality stocks in SIP mode. Now, as a trader, it still has to be cautious because Banknifty has still not demonstrated that it does swing price action wise. It is still not taken out and it is still not broken out. So without Banknifty, Nifty alone cannot make all-time highs and sustain for long. It has to catch up. Banknifty has to catch up. So therefore, there is certainly not coming with respect to the bullishness. So be cautious if you think going long. Non-direction strategies, then yeah, always hedge your positions and manage your risk if the VIX spikes or spiking up. VIX spiking up is another concern, right? So overall, there is bullishness all around. The bullishness has come in, but accept the thing that the wise bank you're not able to take out. It may all end up in one big gap up move of 1,000 points, 800, 500, 600 points in one day. And if you can do that magic, right? So straight away you can jump to a 44, 800 or 45k in one day. So 1 or 2 days it can move big. So you don't need to worry about that as long as it's not, momentum is not dipping in the real zones. That's not happened. So it's just consolidating, taking its own sweet time to catch up with the Nifty. That's what is happening. So that's a view. The view is that the market is bullish, but you have to be cautious because of the fact that Banknifty is slightly lying, right? So that's all I have. If you're not subscribed and watching this, please subscribe. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe and share to friends and colleagues. Reaches out to maximum. So we also have presence in Twitter channels. You can find the details of that in the description, and then subscribe to that. We have daily technical charts that's possible, right? That's all I have for the next day. Thanks for watching. Happy trading, happy learning, happy investing. Bye bye.